Morning students, hope you all are well. So today we are going to discuss the special type of prokaryotic bacteria, that is Mycoplasma, from the five kingdom chapter. So this these are the simplest known aerobic prokaryotes without a cell wall, and they are discovered by Knockard and Rocks. So this mycoplasma generally present, or they occur in soil, sewage, water, different substrates, means in human, animal, plants. They can found sometimes in hot springs water. Okay, now let's see what are the structure of mycoplasma. So mycoplasma show the naked pleomorphism. Okay, and their size varies from zero point 0.1 to 0.15 micrometer. That means very small. They lack a cell wall. They don't have their cell wall. So due to the absence of cell wall, they are plastic in nature and occur in various forms such as coccoid, granular, filaments. Means the structure of outer structure will vary. So because of the variable shape, they are called the jokers of plant kingdom. So which is known as jokers of plant kingdom? Mycoplasma. You can see from the figure, it is the structure of mycoplasmal cell. So it is covered by a lipoprotein membrane or cell membrane. They lack a well organized nucleus, as it is a prokaryotic cell. Endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, plastid, and centrioles, Golgi body, and flagella. So the genetic material is present in the form of nucleoid, as it is present in case of prokaryotes. So it consists of a single circular double-stranded DNA molecule without a nuclear membrane, because in prokaryotes they don't have the nuclear membrane. So the ribosome is 70S type and they scattered in the cytoplasm. DNA and RNA in mycoplasma cell is less than half that normally occurs in other prokaryotes. Why? Because it perhaps that lowest limit essential for a cellular organism. Now they are non-motile in nature. Okay, and the nutrition is heterotrophic. Some are them are saprophytes, and most of them are parasite on plants and animals. And the mode of reproduction is budding and binary fission. Next is the economic importance. So generally it causes serious diseases in men, animals, and plants. So in men, sometimes it develops some genital inflammation and endocarditis. Sometimes it develops infertility in humans. Okay, in animals, that mycoplasma agaclitia causes the agalacia of goat and sheep. It is a particular disease. And in plants, the mycoplasma is responsible for some of the serious diseases. The important one are the big bud of tomato, clover phyllidie, and yellow dwarf of tobacco. Some stripe disease of sugarcane, little leaf of brinjal, like this. So all these about this mycoplasma.